What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate destination where we explore the most exciting cars reshaping the future while paying tribute to the legends of the past. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in American muscle, the Chevy Nova. But not just any Nova. We're talking about the 2026 Chevy Nova 454, a machine that brings back raw power, bold styling, and modern technology in a way that's guaranteed to grab attention. The Nova has always been a legend, especially with that famous 454 badge, and now Chevrolet has reimagined it for a new generation. The exterior design is the first thing that takes your breath away. The 2026 Nova keeps the essence of the classic 1970s Nova while updating it with sleek, aerodynamic lines and a bold stance that makes it look ready to pounce. The wide front grille with modern LED lighting gives it an aggressive character, while the sculpted hood and muscular body lines shout performance from every angle. The rear design features a wide set of taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and quad exhausts that leave no doubt this is a car built for power. Chevy's designers have done an incredible job creating a look that bridges the gap between nostalgia and futuristic styling. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The legendary 454 nameplate makes a roaring return, but this isn't the same big block you remember from decades past. The 2026 version is a hybrid-assisted powerhouse, combining a naturally aspirated V8 with electric torque to produce mind-blowing performance. This system not only provides explosive acceleration but also makes the Nova more efficient than ever before. Imagine stepping on the gas and feeling the surge of a classic 454 while instantly getting that extra electric kick. It's a rush like no other. This car is proof that muscle and modern technology can coexist in perfect harmony. Inside, the Nova 454 continues to impress. The cabin blends heritage-inspired details with modern luxury and technology. You'll find premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused cockpit that makes you feel in complete control. The digital instrument cluster pays homage to classic Nova gauges but delivers them with modern clarity and customization. The centerpiece is a large infotainment system equipped with advanced features like AI navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and voice controls. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed either. The Nova offers heated and ventilated seats, high-quality sound systems, and plenty of modern convenience features to ensure every ride feels special. Performance is where the Nova 454 truly shines. With its hybrid enhanced V8, it delivers an exhilarating blend of raw muscle and precise control. The adaptive suspension and modern chassis tuning allow it to carve corners with agility while still maintaining the brute force muscle car fans crave. Braking is equally impressive thanks to oversized performance brakes, and the all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip in any condition. Whether you're tearing up the drag strip or simply cruising through the city, the 2026 Nova 454 adapts to deliver the thrill you're looking for. What makes this car so special is its ability to honor tradition while embracing innovation. The Nova has always represented affordable, powerful performance, and the 2026 version takes that legacy to the next level. It shows that muscle cars are not only surviving in the modern era, they're evolving and thriving. Chevy has taken everything enthusiasts love about the Nova and reimagined it for a future where performance, style, and technology come together seamlessly. So, car fans, what do you think about the 2026 Chevy Nova 454? Is this the revival you've been waiting for? Does it set a new standard for the muscle car world? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you loved this breakdown, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest car content. Until next time, this is Car Trend bringing you the stories of the cars that shape the future while respecting the legends of the past.